This film surprised me because it gave me a different view into another side of how nature interacts with humans and how we interact with them. It was really eye-opening, especially learning more about their patterns, I guess, beforehand. Their lost years at sea and how they rely on each other and what would have been in their stomachs when they're throwing up that's now plastic. There was a lot of visuals that were not easy for me to see, and I kind of felt the rest of the audience be uncomfortable at the same times. So it was interesting to see their reaction to other times too. A lot of times the noises that the birds make are pretty funny, and so that would get a lot of chuckles, and I thought that was a really cool way to contrast how somber the rest of the themes were. And I'm really interested in finding a career that makes sustainability more accessible. I'm really looking into lifestyle magazines right now and how they're promoting sustainability as farmers markets. They're gaining a lot of popularity and things like that. So I'm not sure if I want to do it more in the science side or the human relations and lifestyle side, but I just want to help make the world more sustainable.